welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making a chocolate cake and I hope you like it. The ingredients that you're going to be needing are 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of yogurt, 3 eggs, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and half a cup of oil. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the flour in the colander to get rid of any lumps. Make sure to shake slowly so that it doesn't go anywhere. Now that you're done, you can take this and set it aside until we're gonna need it again. Now you're gonna need a blender to do these next steps. So you're gonna wanna put the three eggs that you measured earlier into the blender. Then you're also gonna put the half a cup of oil in here too. And then for the first things that you want to put, the last one is the yogurt. That's so funny. Now that you've finished putting your wet ingredients in the blender, you're going to want to put your dry ingredients. But before I do that, I want to tell you about the yogurt. It has to be natural and no sugar. But if you don't have that, that's fine. You can just use milk. So now I'm just going to pour in the sugar. And now the cocoa powder. Now, for last but not least, we're going to want to put in that baking soda or baking powder. Now, before we blend it, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now, we can blend. Now that you're done blending, you're going to pour this into the flour and mix until it's smooth. That looks so satisfying. Now that your batter is smooth, you're going to want to pour it into a cake mold. But before you do that, make sure to grease it up with your favorite spray or some butter. Whoa, that's so cool because it just piles up and piles up and piles up. Now we're going to put this in the oven. Oh, it smells so good. 350 degrees and for 45 minutes. Make sure you do not touch the little trays or else you might burn yourself. And make sure you have adult supervision. So I just took my cake out of the oven. I'm just gonna put a knife in the cake to make sure it is all the way cooked. Since it's nice and clean, that means it is. Now that our cake is cooled down, we're just gonna put a plate on top and flip it over and just pat it and take the cake out. My family likes to put ice cream on chocolate cake, but you can put any toppings that you want. So I forgot to mention, this was my grandma's recipe that she taught me that she used to bake for my dad when he was a kid. What I put is I just put ice cream on the side and raspberries, and I bet it's gonna be delicious. It's super good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!